Hey, guess who's way down upon the Suwannee River? You want to come check it out with me? Let's do this. Woo! Hey folks, David aka RVJedeye, and I am back at Suwannee River State Park in Florida. An absolutely fantastic park. Stayed here a little while ago, about a year, half, maybe 2 years ago. I loved it then and I still love it now.
Yep, you guessed it, really, way down upon the Suwannee River at Suwannee River State Park. An absolute beautiful gem. The sites are all easy to get into, very nice. There are about 30 of them, and they all have full hookups. The bathhouse, very clean. There's a dump station as well. And lots of places for you to just hang out and really enjoy the area. They have washer and dryers and a place to pick up some books and reading and DVDs if you like, but the beauty is definitely the river.
What a great day to be out hiking. I am here on the Suwannee River. Yeah, go ahead, insert it. Way down upon the Suwannee River. I know you wanted to do it. I wanted to do it as well. And it is absolutely beautiful. A lot of great hiking up and down the river, and just some beautiful, beautiful scenery. I'm going to take a couple pictures and hopefully you'll enjoy them. Hey, just a reminder, if you like the content that you're seeing here on the channel, make sure you click and subscribe, hit that bell notification so that whenever a new video comes out, you will be notified. Suwannee River State Park is just about an hour outside of Tallahassee to the east. The park is really easy to get in and out of. The sites are really well maintained. There's a bathhouse in the middle, and it's a great place to get away for a great short trip. Everything is full hookup and it's absolutely beautiful. Well, just as I recall, this is a very easy place to hike and really enjoy what you're doing out here. The places, the hiking trails, wide, nice for everybody to get around on and really enjoy. And you get to see some really cool things out here. All right, so this is what I really remember about being here last time, the Suwannee River, this perch right here. Absolutely amazing. You get to see the river, you get to see folks on the river. There's a train right there. We just missed it. I was gonna try and get some video of it. But just a really nice place to hike and see some really good stuff while you're out there. So that's a second look at Suwannee River State Park in Florida. Again, an absolute fantastic spot. I think you'll enjoy it if you get a chance to come on down. It's a beautiful place right up on the river. Campground is really nice and a lot of hiking as well. Hey, that's going to do it right now for me. You can follow me all over on social media at RVJedeye, and then of course you can follow me on the blog at RVJedeye.com. Get out there, RV, have fun, discover new places, and enjoy the trip all along the way. See you next time.